Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new to this channel, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today we are going to discuss 5 project control software which are totally free. Yes, totally free, and we also discuss how this project control software will help you to bring work-life balance without costing a single dime. So, first thing first, why do we need project control software? Well, picture this. Deadlines are looming, tasks are piling up, and your team communication, it's all over the place. That's your project without project control tool and process. Now, imagine a streamlined process where every task aligned perfectly with your timeline, resources are allocated efficiently, and everyone is in sync. That's the magic of the right project control tool. So, what are those tools? Well, let's break down top 5 project control tools which are totally free, and also we'll be going into detail that which project control tool software is more suitable for your project. So, the first on our list is Asana, which is totally free with a basic version. It is perfect for small team looking to stay organized without overwhelming features. It's offered task assignment, deadline, and a visual project timeline that makes tracking your progress a breeze. The next one is Trello. Trello is known for its simplicity and effectiveness. It uses cards and boards to give you a clear overview of your project stages. It's especially great for visual thinkers who appreciate a drag and drop interface. The next one is ClickUp, a versatile tool especially for those who need customization. The free version of ClickUp offers robust task management features and even some automation to streamline your process. The fourth one is Monday.com, and its basic plan is totally free. It is known for its user-friendly interface and great collaboration feature, allowing you to manage your team's workload effectively from anywhere at any time. The fifth one is Zoho's Projects Free Edition. It is ideal for those who need advanced project planning and tracking tool. With features like Gantt chart, issue tracking, it's a solid option for more complex projects. Each of these tools has its own strength, so choose wisely depending upon what exactly your project needs. You may need a customization, or you may need a planning tool, or you may need especially collaboration tool or communication tool. Depending upon the requirement of your project and the setup of environment where your project is working, you can decide which project tool is most suitable for you. Thanks for watching this video and keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to drop a comment below and we will reach you out to help you. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.